For centuries, the notion of blue-blooded aristocrats has permeated popular culture, evoking images of noble lineages with superior genetic traits. However, this concept is nothing more than a myth, a product of creative storytelling and biased observations. The origin of the term blue blood lies in the erroneous belief that members of the upper classes had veins that appeared bluish through their pale skin. This misconception arose from the fact that veins close to the surface of the skin, especially in people with fair complexions, often appear bluish due to the scattering of light. However, this phenomenon is not exclusive to aristocrats and is common among individuals, regardless of their socioeconomic status. The association of blue blood with aristocracy was further fueled by the prevailing belief that the upper classes were descended from ancient conquering peoples, such as the Goths and Vikings. These groups were often perceived as having lighter skin and fairer hair, which reinforced the idea that they were somehow biologically superior to the common folk. Over time, the myth of blue blood became deeply ingrained in European society, particularly among the nobility. It served as a justification for their privileged status and reinforced the idea that they were born with inherent qualities that set them apart from the lower classes. In reality, there is no scientific evidence to support the notion that aristocracy is associated with any specific genetic traits. Social class and genetic lineage are not correlated, and individuals from all walks of life can possess a wide range of physical and intellectual abilities. The myth of the blue-blooded aristocracy is a testament to the power of storytelling and the human tendency to create social hierarchies based on arbitrary factors. It is a reminder that true worth and value lie not in birthright or lineage, but in character, intellect, and the contributions we make to society.